Welcome sa sip9.com. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba paano makumuha ng root ng quadratic equation, no? So sa previous video dun sa introduction to quadratic equation, sabi natin ang quadratic equation ay ang equation na may form na ax squared plus bx plus c where is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. So both yung b tsaka c pwede sila maging 0, any of them or both pwede maging 0, but a cannot be equal to 0 kasi pag naging 0 to, mawawala tong term na to. So magiging bx plus c tsaka magiging 0 na to, di ba? So magiging linear na siya. So yung x na gusto nating hanapin, yung value niya, tawag natin dyan ay root or solution, no, of the equation. So kailangan makuha mo yung value ng x, no? At dito sa video na to ay pag-aaralan natin yung isang strategy, no, on how to get the root, no. So number 1, 2x squared is equal to 0. Of course, pag alam niyo na yung equation, pwede kayong mag-divide ng 2 on both sides, no? So magiging x squared is equal to 0. And of course, we have x is equal to 0. Extract square root of both sides. So dito, ang ibig sabihin pala nito nung part na to ay 0 squared is equal to 0, which means that 0 times 0 equals 0. So dito, dalawa yung root natin actually. Ang root natin ay dalawang 0. Parehong, although na pwede nating sabihin na x equals 0, technically, dalawa yung root natin na equal yung value. So, dalawang roots, no? Pwede nating sabihin 2 roots and then equal. And then yung root natin ay real number. Pwede nating sabihin ganyan. Yun yung characteristics ng root dito. Next, number 2, we have x squared minus 36 is equal to 0. So, we have x squared equals 36, no? I think madali na to. Add 36 on both sides para siya maging ganito, di ba? So, extracting the square root, no? Square root of 36, we have x equals positive or negative 6. No? Kaya siya positive or negative 6 kasi positive 6 times positive 6 is equal to 36, while negative 6 times negative 6 is also 36. So, pag in-square mo to, maging 36. Pag in-square mo to, maging 36. So, dalawa yung roots natin. We have x equals 36 or positive 36 and also x equals negative 36. So, dito, dalawang roots, hindi siya equal, di ba? So, pwede nating sabihin na distinct or, unequal. Unequal. And at the same time, real number, no? Real siya, no? Number 3, we have x squared plus 81 equals 0. So, subtracting 81 from both sides, maging x squared equals negative 81. And then extracting the square root. So, x equals negative, the square root of negative 81. So dito wala tayong real numbers, no, na root. Wala tayong ang root nito ay complex number, which is I think pag kunin natin yung ang complex number niya na root, magiging negative 81. Pwede nating sabihin na negative 1 times 81, di ba? So pag in-square root natin to, pag in-square natin itong negative 81, kukunin natin yung square root nito. So, alam natin na yung negative 1 ay ang square root niya na ay I. And then yung 81 ay 9. Positive or negative 9. So, magiging 9 ay yan. Positive or negative 9i. Positive or negative 9i. So, complex number yung root niya, hindi siya real number. And again, so in 2 roots, unequal, and complex. No? Ito, two roots. Anyway, hindi natin kailangan isulat. Sinabi ko na, no? Okay? So, I think medyo mahaba itong video na ito. Pwede nating putulin sa dalawa. Karoon tayo ng part 2, no? Dalawang examples pa siguro, no? Kasi medyo mahaba yung fourth and fifth example. So, I guess I will see you in the next tutorial. Pwede niyong bisitahin yung ating website, musicnayan.com. And of course, if you want to subscribe sa ating channel, you can just click the subscribe button below this video. See you in the next tutorial.